If you're looking for an easy recipe for Asian fusion shrimp appetizer, then you're in the right place. Today we're going to make open-faced shrimp dumpling with wasabi mayo and pickled ginger. If you're new to the channel, please hit the like and subscribe and notification bell. Let's begin. First of all, you need to brush the dumpling wrappers with oil. And you need to do it on both sides. Shape those oiled wrappers in the muffin tray, and we're going to cook this in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 7 minutes. While it's in the oven, you can finely chop the pickled ginger, also known as Benishoga. Then start a saucepan with very low heat and then put the brown sugar first. Add a dash of water and the mayonnaise, rice vinegar, and whisk everything on low heat, and make sure you use the low heat, otherwise the mayonnaise will split. Turn off the heat and mix in the wasabi. When it's done, transfer the sauce to a squeeze bottle. And we're going to cook the shrimp on a high heat. Just add some canola oil and season the pan a little bit. When the pan is hot enough, add your shrimp. Season with salt and pepper. After about a minute, flip all the shrimp. Add a tablespoon of butter and then baste. Place some baby arugula on the plate to prevent the dumplings to slide around or even fall from the plate. Position your nicely baked dumpling wrappers and fill in the wrappers with baby arugula, chopped pickled ginger, sweet wasabi mayonnaise sauce, and pan-seared shrimp. And finish with lemon zest garnish. Super simple, easy, delicious. If you're new to this channel, check out the playlist up top. You may like it. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next episode.